Hey, hello. This is an update on my channel that is way past due. I want to give an update because I'm doing a lot more with this channel than I have in the past. And I started this channel when I started off trading Forex. I had a very successful intro into Forex years and years ago with a small strategy that I used that I picked up from a robot at that time back in 2008. And I did really well, so I wanted to share it and start to build an online presence and help people trade Forex. Unfortunately, that system shortly died out as markets change. If you get to know the markets, kind of boxed in strategies don't ever really last that long. The market will start to move its way out and change things. So there's a lot of different ways to trade, and it takes a lot of time to analyze to be successful. I've had several strategies since then that I tried to help people with that work for a period of time, and then the market would start changing how it flows. Market flow changes all the time and fluctuates. So these strategies will be successful, and then they won't, and then they will, and then they won't. And depending on the trader and how they protect themselves with how they trade, it can be very frustrating because it can go up and down, and you end up really not going anywhere, and worst case scenario end up losing. So it takes time to do the analyst, and my job, I just could not be there. Even though Forex is 24/7, 6 days of the week, almost 6 days of the week, it still wasn't, it doesn't mean that you can trade successfully 24 hours a day, right? So it definitely moves when the other markets, the New York and the London markets are open, and Asian, Australian markets are open. During those time periods, you got a couple hours where it moves and is tradable, but that became very difficult for me to do when I'm working 12, 16 hours a day. Well, maybe not 16, but 14 hours a day. And then I'm off on the weekends, and you gotta have honeydews and spend time with the family and things like that. So it became very difficult for me to make any money at it. So I went to affiliate marketing, and then now I'm in digital marketing, which is kind of the same thing, but I'm working with resell and also affiliate marketing stuff. And so I've been sharing things that I'm learning and programs that I've been doing about that here and there and off and on. So I'm planning on beefing that up a little bit, because I'm getting quite involved in a program that has a lot of education, and I want to share this with you because I've spent the money on it. And there's an affordable option and a medium, and then a little bit more of a higher price. All of this of which you could get probably less than the cost of your phone, right? So it's well worth it. I look at it, it's the kind of stuff they should be teaching in college for digital marketing and social media marketing, things like that. Even business owners, take away the resale rights and making money off the product. They are buying this product to enhance their marketing for their business, so that they don't have to spend so much time, so much money on advertising and getting social media companies to promote them. So if they can do it themselves, they buy products like this. So, and Forbes put out that in 2024, digital marketing is going to be one of the highest paying industries in the world, I believe. And so, don't quote me on that, but it's definitely moved up. I mean, we went from millions of dollars a day in digital marketing to now billions, or $1 billion a day, and billions in the future. They're projecting, Forbes is, for 2030 up to 2030. So definitely a place to be. Even though you may see it around a lot, it doesn't mean that it's saturated. It just means that you're interested in it, and the algorithms are understanding that, and so they're going to show you that kind of stuff. It's just like a Starbucks, if you will. They're everywhere. You could almost put up a Starbucks anywhere, and you would have success, right? So it's kind of like that. You have a program that you can resell and be successful with it, as long as you learn the steps. And we have a proven step that works quite well. But anyway, there's going to be more on that on this channel, and I've noticed that quite a few people started unsubscribing, and that's perfectly what you should do, actually, if you don't, because I don't want you to be seeing stuff that you don't want to be watching. I don't want that popping up in your feed if you're not interested in that kind of stuff. Some people I think that were into trading might also be interested in this kind of material. So I'm going to continue to bring the best that I can and secrets that I learn about marketing and building an income online, because long term I want to do this into my retirement years, helping others grow to financial freedom, right? To a place where we can enjoy, educate, learn, experience all the different things in life. So anyway, that is the update for this channel. Welcome. I welcome you here. I'm glad you stopped by to take a look. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.